Hey, beautiful people, it's Rickita. I'm back with another video. So in this video, I want to talk about Merrick Bank credit card. Now, they do have a secure credit card and they do have an unsecured credit card, and they do have one that can like double your line basically if you're paying on time. Someone, actually, I have them on my blog, said that they were able to get approved for the credit card and they're hoping to be able to double their line. So right here, you can see someone said, today I was approved for $1,000 Merrick Bank double your line MasterCard is double to $2,000 in 7 months of on-time payments. Thank you. Thank you and your team for working with me improving my credit. This was through Credit Karma. My TransUnion was pulled. So definitely congratulations. They have the unsecured and they have the secured. The unsecured is the double your line. The secured, they actually do give out increases with that. So I still think that this is a great one. The point that they can give out increases, I still think that that is amazing. And the secure one, you can put a deposit down from $200 to $3,000. So I think that that is really amazing and something that everyone should definitely look into. Again, they already said that they're going to pull TransUnion. They pulled their TransUnion, but I'm telling you, they are definitely going to pull TransUnion. All of the different credit cards on my website, I tell you guys exactly what bureau they're going to possibly pull. You guys can definitely pre-qualify for it. Your credit limit is going to be between $200 to $3,000, and it's going to be a security deposit. But you guys can possibly get approved for the one that don't require a deposit. We're going to definitely look into it. If you guys are having a hard time getting approved for these credit cards, definitely look into my exclusive credit membership, because these are actual results from the people that are a part of my membership. It is a 7-day $1 trial that you guys can look into. So I want you guys to definitely check it out. Now, some similar credit cards will be the Mission Lane, the Prosper, and the Destiny credit cards. I think that these are very similar to the Merrick Bank. I honestly don't think of Merrick Bank when I think about people getting credit cards, but the point that they were able to get approved for that $1,000 credit card, as long as you ain't got no annual fee, is good in my book. When I see annual fees, I just say back away from them, because it just it's just a cycle that you don't want to get yourself into. And if you guys don't know much about credit, definitely look into my credit 101, because that right there, you can be in there for 3 months, start working on credits, dispute letters in there, and pay $30 because it's only $9.99 per month. And you can get your credit score a lot higher. You can increase your credit score probably 70, 80 points by just following the things that's within there. So definitely check it out. Now, again, when it come down to these credit cards, I want you guys to avoid anything that's going to have a high annual fee. When it comes down to credit cards, I just don't think you have to have an annual fee. And if you're saying, oh, I'm gonna get the annual fee because I'm trying to build my credit, it's other ways around that. You don't necessarily have to get one with an annual fee to build your credit. I'm going to show you some other credit cards out there that you can start building credit with that's not going to charge you an annual fee, that can still pre-qualify you without a hard inquiry. And a lot of times when people see like Merrick Bank, is because they got some type of offer in the mail saying that, hey, you're pre-approved. Don't be tricked by some of this stuff. You can find other credit cards that can do the same exact thing. So as you can see right here, it says accept your mail-in offer. So if you got a mail-in offer, you can definitely accept it, but still look at that annual fee first. This one is just a regular MasterCard. It's not a secure one. You don't have a security deposit on it. They have automatic credit line reviews, meaning they're going to look at your credit, see how everything going, and then they want to look at your history also with the credit card and see if they can actually give you an increase, which is really good. Now, this is their classic secure. Your deposit be between $200 to $3,000. Your credit line is going to equal your security deposit. So if you want a $3,000 credit card, then you got to put a $3,000 deposit on here. If you want $200, put a $200 deposit. You can pick your own credit line by putting whatever amount down that you want. And they say that they have low APRs, but I guess we'll have to see. Okay, we'll definitely have to see. So they said they're going to give you your monthly FICO credit score. They have the zero liability for unauthorized use. You can reestablish your credit by having them report to the credit bureaus, basically. And they have flexible payment options. You can do check, phone, or online. Automatic credit review, so you don't need to call them. Your account is going to be regularly reviewed for credit line increases, which is really good. Your account alerts, that's if something is happening with your account, you're going to have the app where you're going to be informed about specific changes that's happening to your account. Also, paperless statement option, so you guys can definitely go paperless. I realized, and this is just me personally, I realized companies only want you to go paperless because we give so many rights by being paperless. You know, being paperless is like, well, we added online. You didn't go look at it. That's your fault. So I just want you guys to understand that they have free financial education, talk about credit building, budgeting, money management resources, and they have online and mobile access. So 24/7, you can be able to look at your account, which is really, really good. Now, I always tell you guys, double check these fees. Like, all this sound good, but what does the fees look like? I love the point that they're going to report to all 3 credit bureaus. And if you guys are thinking about doing like a prepaid card or a debit card, they're trying to compare them all. You do need to have a security deposit with a secure credit card. It's going to report to all 3 credit bureaus. So they say your FICO score is available for free each month, 0 fraud liability. And you should get that with your debit card. I don't think that that's accurate. $0 fraud liability. If you guys have fraud on your debit card, you should still be protected. So I would not say that that's correct. Exclusive benefits and experience available to the MasterCard customers. You know, I give them that. Review for periodic credit line increases with no additional deposit. So I do like that one, because if you got a prepaid card or debit card, what they increase unless you put more money in there, it is what it is, you know? So am I eligible for the card? You just need to make sure that you meet the income or debt affordability, and you they can actually verify your identity. You do the security deposit, you got to be at least 18. You have a verifiable social security number, a physical home address. You don't have a pending bankruptcy right now. You don't already have the secure credit card, and you don't have any outstanding tax obligations. They have a lot of requirements for a secure credit card, right? So how does this help you establish credit? With the on-time payments and keeping your balance low, which is the good utilization part, that's going to basically help you establish your um, credit. So keep those 2 in mind. How long would it take for you guys to receive your card? It can take up to 2 weeks for you guys to receive your card. How can I increase my line? You can increase your credit line at any time by adding additional money to the security deposit. You can have up to $3,000. We'll also review your account on a regular basis to see if you're eligible for additional credit line increases without the need for additional deposit. So that is good that they, again, talked about getting that additional deposit. And if you guys were to close this account, that's when you guys will be able to get your money back, basically your deposit back. But I will hope that you guys can be able to do the double your line kind of thing, where or you'll be able to get their regular credit card and they could be able to give you increases that way. I told you guys I was going to show you another way to get other credit cards without, you know, having annual fees if you can help it. Now, if you guys were to go to my website, even at the bottom of the page that we were on with the Merrick Bank, if you guys were to go to the bottom, I always have this list of these lists of credit cards, multiple lists of credit cards. I like this one right here, to pre-qualify with no hard inquiry. It's over 45 different personal loans and credit cards that can pre-qualify you without a hard inquiry. So I always tell people, double check these different accounts that's here, because these are some great cards here, and it's a lot of them on here that's going to be able to pre-qualify you without a hard inquiry. Most of them, all of them should do that, but they don't have an annual fee, which is amazing. You can start building your credit and be able to get credit cards without an annual fee. And also, you'll be able to add your kids on as authorized users to help them build their credit up. But hopefully you guys are able to get approved for these credit cards. If you guys have any questions, definitely let me know. I definitely hope that you guys are able to get approved for these credit cards. I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video. Right now, I'm focusing on my LSAT. That's what my biggest focus is on my LSAT. I'm focusing on my LSAT, and then YouTube comments, my family, and then my membership. So if you guys are in my membership, you can always have access to ask me questions or ask my team questions. And also leave us a comment on YouTube if you want us to answer questions for you there. I'll definitely see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.